Hello future tech leaders, I'm Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
We have two types of flow. One is a screen flow, one is a process flow. Screen flows are used to navigate forward and backward. Like you can move forward and backward in a screen. But process flow, you can only move forward. We start to end. You cannot move again to the back. Now for a process flow, this is a process flow. For a process flow, flow actions will be present on connector shape. There is a line date that is called a connector. Flow action will be present on connector. For a screen flow, flow action will be present on assignment shape. Assignment shape in the sense of the green color shape. But for a process flow, flow actions will be present on connector shape. Now click on that flow action. Open it. Click on that connector. Click on that connector. What happened? Click on cancel. Open that assignment shape. Why flow action came on assignment shape? Go to your order. Go to your order case step. We have added return. Create right. We have made modifications to create. Go to stages and settings. Create right. We have added return. What is? You click on. You click on. You just hover on collect information once. You click on three dots. Create process, add parallel process. 1 second. This has taken this. This thing has screen flow. Click on collect information below. You have collect information. Open the flow. Collect information. That one. Click. This one. 1 second. Go to settings. Here you have settings. 1 sec. Auditing data. This has came up as a screen flow. I'll tell you, go to that flow collection. Next. Click on. You double click on that assignment. Open your flow. See that create is there? Or else will you delete and will you add it again? And that will also work. You just go to your flow. Not a flow. You go to your life cycle. Order life cycle. Stages and steps. You delete the first one. There is no option to delete it, right? You click on 3 dots. There is nothing to delete there. That's a parallel process. Not a new process. Parallel process means it will add in the below. But let me think. You click on the back, delete it. You click on actions. You click on actions on the top. You have actions, right? You click on open. I think here there will be some contradiction. When the next people will change. Some Instagram. This is a The next nation is the last place. The next step. There is no option to delete the initialization stage, right? You add one. You check out this rule. Let's try. You check out this rule. You click on Add Primary Stage. The stages in stage. Once you go to Advanced tab. Click on Advanced. On the top you have. This is not. Go to Stages. Here stage 3, you have added right. You have dragged it to the top. Drag it to the top. I don't know. One green line is coming. Then you leave it. Still top. Now you leave it. You remove the stage, then enter as collect information. You click on Approve Origin. Click on Approve Origin. Click there. Let's click. Let's do one thing. This is for order. This is for order. This is for order 1. On the top you can see this one. What you will do? You refresh this one. Actions and refresh. You click on that start step. Is there no? You click on the start step. Start step. On the right hand side. You have it right. Start on this. Click on that. Is anything coming up? It's not clickable. You click on the when rule. When rule is it clickable? Now you keep when rule only. Inside when rule, there is some when rule right. There will give it never. When to launch is never. You remove that thing. You just give never is capital. You remove that one. Save it. Is it getting saved? Process. When it never means it will never start the process. It will go. It has to go to next stage. Well, we'll try. We will try creating a case once. You click on order and click on save and run. You have saved this one, right? Go to your order, case type. You asked to add a new process, right? Go to order case type. New process is not required. You delete it. You click on order. Not this one. The first one. After home, you have your life cycle. Go to workflow. Actions refresh. Now you click on save and run. Save and run. Now we have created one order, one right. Go to order 1. Now let's modify the order 1. You add a second stage and you give it as collect information. Similar to the order. We will actually make this create as a never. Collect information. After that you give like a collect cake information. All those things. Like a collect address info. All those things you can. Generally, it should not happen like this. Like we should have an ability to delete it also. But I am not. I am not. I am not. In the latest version, was it coming like this? I think. Collect address. Then review case right. Collect information step only. You can give collect only. We can keep it all. Those indeed only. Review info or case. Review. Review is fine. You can give like. And then the case has to be resolved right. That's it. Payment information is there. Alright. Before this, there was payment. Before after. Anyway, you can keep. Should I click on save? Click on save and make this create as in. Then it will not execute. Check out this one first. Then you make it. Check in also. Once you refresh this thing. Why primary station? Didn't add it. No. Refresh. This is an instance which you have opened previously. You want to discard this one. You close this one and open a case to begin. I think this is a previous one. Go to order one and you click on and open it again. Go to stages. Now we have checkout, checkout, and make that when reach you. Check in also. No, that is not required. Test case is not required. You can give it the check in comments. Below some check in and your check in. Now go to your case type and click on actions and refresh. Now click on save and run. You can click on save and run and check. What is it actually initializing, collect or interesting? But there is nothing in that. It hasn't came up with any screen or anything. You close this one and let's configure the load. Open the collect information process below to open process. And open process. Now, if you see, you just check out this one. Let's create one flow action. You double click on connector rule. This is a process flow. No, not that connector, the connector which is after. This one. See, there is a flow action on a connector. Previously you saw it. The flow action is present on assignment shape right. What does that mean? If it is present on connector, that is a process flow. If it is present on assignment, that is a screen flow. Now you open this flow action, it will ask for create new. It will last just cake work order. One rule set is cake order. You click on create and open. You enter the flow action. You enter the section flow action. Flow action contains the sections right. We have already discussed. Right? You do some section name like collect address or some address info. You can give address info. Don't give all the names as same because this name is also collected as info. Right? You give address info or delivery address, something like that. You anything is fine. You create. You open this one section, create and open. You save this one will create a properties tomorrow. How to create a property and all will see tomorrow. You just save. Click on save. Click on save here. Save here. This one is still new, right? If it is new, it hasn't saved. Now you go to your flow. You submit that one. You have. Go to your flow. Not this one flow. This is a process. Click on Open Process. You will go to your flow on the right side. You have it right Open Process right side top below Save button. You try to save this not save. You click on Open Process, open this one, open this one. It has opened this one it. You have saved everything. You launch your portal. Click on Launch Portal on the top header. You have it. It's slow. No problem, it's. Just click once it will come. No, it's not coming. No, if you launch the portal, you can create a case. You can create from save and run, or else you can create from launching a portal. Also, you click on that blue check mark on the top. You have blue check mark right. That will show you your checkout rules. See, those many rules are in your checkout. Alright, you understand it. Where to see all the checkout rules? By default is there. Now you open that by default for order. You just checking. You have kept never write this one for order. This order will anyhow not use. Will be working on order one still. You just. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.